Hello, today I will be showing you how to install the Claris intraoral camera. The first thing we want to determine is whether your computer is either 32-bit or 64-bit. To determine that, what we want to do is go over to Computer, right-click on the icon, go down to Properties, and here the system properties will be displayed. Now you'll notice it says System Type, and where it says System Type, it'll either say 32-bit or 64-bit. Now that we know that it's a 64-bit operating system, we can go ahead and get the correct drivers for our system. While I'm here, I also want to go to the Advanced System Settings, go to the Hardware tab, go to Device Installation Settings, and I want to change this to No and Never. That way, when you do a Windows update, it will not overwrite our drivers. Alright, so now that we know that it's a 64-bit operating system, we can either get the drivers from the included CD, or we can get them from downloading it from our website. So let's go ahead and hit Install Driver 64-bit and Install Capture Service 64-bit. For now, I'm going to exit out of this, and we can go ahead and minimize the CD. And when we use that tool, it'll basically place the drivers into the root C drive. Now let's go to Device Manager. You can get there by right-clicking on Computer, going to Manage, and let's go ahead and update the drivers for the camera. So the easiest way to figure out which device is our camera is to go ahead and plug the camera in. And you'll notice that the unknown device has popped up. And if we were to unplug the camera, the unknown device will disappear. So now that we have confirmed that that's our device, let's go ahead and plug it back in. And to update this camera, let's right-click on Unknown Device, go to Update Driver Software, go to Browse My Computer, Let Me Pick, and we're going to place this into the sound, video, and game controllers. Next, we're going to go to Have Disk, and we're going to browse for the driver back to the C drive. So it's in Computer, C drive, Claris, and we want to select this EMBDA64. Now we can install it all the way through. After that's been installed, we want to go back into the driver folder, and we're going to install the capture button service now. So we want to go into the driver folder, go into the VGP folder, and we want to copy service 3 and paste it into the C drive, Windows, and we're going to paste it into SysWow64. Now if you're using a 32-bit operating system, you would want to copy this file or paste this file into the System 32. Now that that's done, let's go back into the driver folder, go back into VGP, and we're going to run install virtgp. Go ahead and hit uninstall for step 1 and uninstall for step 2. This will basically make it so that it's a clean install. Hit install for step 1 and install for step 2. Now that both have said success, we can go ahead and exit out, exit out, exit out, and you have successfully just installed the Claris intraoral camera.